Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is August 12th, 2025, and we've got some exciting updates about Soundhound AI, ticker symbol Soun, along with a fresh trading strategy for those looking to get involved. Soundhound AI stock is making headlines for its dramatic price action. Just yesterday, Soun closed at $15.89 after a rally of over 17% for the session, and the stock has climbed more than 26% in the past 24 hours. These gains come hot on the heels of their Q2 earnings report, which blew past expectations and sent shares spiking more than 30% in just 1 week. Over the past year, Soun is up an astonishing 211%, backed by soaring investor confidence, strategic industry alliances, and positive analyst upgrades. So what's fueling this bullish momentum? Soundhound reported record revenues, issued a revenue forecast for FY25 between $160 million and $178 million, well above Wall Street's initial estimates, and landed partnerships with auto and restaurant giants. This has prompted analysts to boost price targets, with some seeing $16 to $18 per share as achievable in the near term. Yet, after this recent surge, the stock is trading close to the higher end of these targets, raising the question, is there more room to run? Let's talk strategy for trading Soun right now. If you're considering a trade, keep in mind that Soun is volatile. In the short term, we're seeing a broad uptrend, but also signs of overextension. Technical levels show resistance around $16 to $16.20, right near current prices. There's support in the $11.50 to $12 zone, which could be a safer entry point if you're waiting for a pullback. The stock is also showing mixed moving average signals, a short-term sell, but a long-term buy. Because of this, momentum traders might look for breakout confirmation above $16.20 with strong volume. Longer-term investors may consider scaling in only during market dips and should be prepared for the possibility of sharp pullbacks, typical for high-growth but unprofitable AI stocks. Given Soundhound's stellar growth but weak profitability, most experts recommend to hold or accumulate but don't chase at these levels, especially after such a steep run. It's often wiser to wait for consolidation or a retracement before entering new positions. Bottom line, Soun is a red-hot AI play right now, but don't get caught up in the hype. Stick to your trading plan, manage your risk, and keep a close eye on those support and resistance levels. Trade safe, and see you in the next update.